How to see block list on Snapchat. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To see the block list on Snapchat, first and foremost have the updated version of Snapchat. After that, just tap on your Snapchat application. From here, once you are logged in your left hand side you will see a user icon, just tap on it. From here, go ahead and click on the setting option that is in the top right corner. Now from here, you need to scroll down to the very bottom until you see the option of blocked users and click on it. So in this section, you'll find all of the Snapchatters that you have blocked. If you have not added any in the blocked user list, the users will not simply display over here. So if you have added, you can easily see it right here, and if you wish to unblock, you can just click on the unblock button next to the Snapchatters. If such option is not available to you, you need to check out your Play Store and tap on the search icon and search for your Snapchat app. If you find any of the update button, just make sure you update your Snapchat app. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. This